have lots of hobbies, and one of them making jewelry. I love using 3D printing for my designs. Movies often inspire my projects, and today is one of those days. I'm talking about Mel Gibson's Apocalypto, with its amazing ethnic costumes, hairstyles and accessories. I'm obsessed with the Mayan looks, especially the women. They mix femininity and ruggedness and reflect their culture and aesthetic so well. It's just awesome. Today I'll be making jewelry in a similar style. I'm creating beaded chokers with a tiny raven skulls. I'm not aiming to perfectly replicate Mayan jewelry, just to capture the vibe. I want these chokers to match any outfit, no matter your style or gender. So let's get started! The main element is the skull, which I print on my 3D printer. I found the model online for free and printed in different colors: grey, black and white. Once the models are printed, I wash them, cure them, remove supports and sand them as usual. To make them look like a real bone, I tint the models with pastels and acrylic paint. I paint the inner parts darker for a more realistic look. Then I seal the paint with acrylic varnish. Next, I assemble the choker. I use nylon or beading thread as a base. I choose beads in various colors and sizes: brown, black and silver. Now comes the patience part: threading the beads onto the thread. This is where the real artistry happens. The final touch is a tiny clasp. You can skip the clasp, but in that case, stretchy thread is better. This is how my collection turned out. There are different sizes and colors of skulls and beads, so you can match them to your style and mood. For some skulls, I added eyes using nephrite balls. I also add packaging. Here's the box I'll use. Ready to try them on? I have an idea to expand this collection. I want to make skulls of other birds or even animals, or maybe something else entirely. Let me know what kind of skull you'd like to wear on your choker. By the way, I already have a mini store, so if you want one of these, message me. I still have some in stock. So, looking forward to your comments and see you in the next video.